Hello everybody! Today we're going to unpack, take a close-up look and taste the fairafric 72% dark chocolate and milk. So let's just take a look around the outside of the package. So in this card box packaging is an 80-gram bar of fairafric 72% dark chocolate and milk. And just taking a look at the details that's on the card box packaging. And on the back of the packaging there is some product information as well as an ingredients list for this organic 72% dark chocolate and milk bar. So there is the ingredients list as well as nutrition information. And this chocolate bar is made in Ghana, Africa. Now let's go ahead and open up the packaging by pulling apart the card flap to reveal the inside design of the packaging as well as the chocolate bar itself. So giving you a look at the details that's printed on the inside of this fairafric 72% dark chocolate and milk bar. We're just setting the package on the left hand side of the tabletop as we take a look at the chocolate bar itself. As you can see, it is wrapped in film, a clear eco film. And just giving you a look at the details there of this packaging. And now let's go ahead and open up this bar of dark chocolate and milk. So following the instructions, just peeling open this biodegradable film. And giving you a look at the bar that's, in this case, broken into two pieces, but nonetheless, this 80-gram bar of fairafric dark chocolate and milk. So you can see the darkness of the chocolate bar containing 72% cocoa, and you can see in the molding, we can see the made in Ghana design of the chocolate bar, and giving you a look at the cross section of the bar as well as the back or underside details. And let's break this little piece further down into a smaller half, and let's break it down even further. So snapping cleanly in half these two pieces and giving you a much closer in look at their details. Okay, so now let's go ahead and taste this smaller piece here. So it starts off with that crunchy, hard texture, which is slightly powdery but very, very fine. but quickly melting into a smooth cocoa rich flavor. So there is that aroma as well, the scent of the dark chocolate. So with that little amount of milk in it, just to soften that bitterness, making this a 72% dark chocolate and milk bar. Now let's taste a slightly fuller piece here. So again, the initial bite and crunchiness of the chocolate bar does smooth out from that hard to a slightly fine, but once again powdery texture that quickly liquefies into that tasty chocolate experience. So that's the fairafric 72% dark chocolate and milk. Thanks for watching and happy eating!